Met Office in Exeter has issued a yellow wind warning for the southwest, Wales, northwest, Northern Ireland, and Scotland. Very strong winds are forecast to affect western parts of the UK during Monday. Southerly winds are most likely to gust between 55 and 65 miles per hour across much of the warning area, with the potential for gusts of 80 miles per hour in coastal areas, particularly in Northern Ireland. These strong winds are forecast in association with the northward track of Ophelia across or near to the west of the British Isles. Heavy rain is also possible in association with this system, with northwestern UK most prone at this stage. Please do not go outside.